The core of any spreadsheet program are the functions available to help you calculate answers to the problems that you'll be using it for. Excel has a huge library of functions, and these are available from this drop-down box on the left-hand side of the function bar. It shows the most recently used functions, but if you need to get at the full library, clicking More Functions at the bottom will give you complete access alphabetically to all the different functions within the program. Excel 2010 has 50 new functions, many of them designed to consolidate the naming conventions within the program itself so that they're easier to find and use. There's also been a lot of work done to improve the precision and accuracy of the functions to make sure that they give mathematically accurate results even in fairly extreme circumstances. Those concerned with mathematical equations will be interested to know that Excel 2010 has a new equation editor. If you click on the Insert tab and then on the Equation drop-down, you'll see that a number of standard equations are included for you to add directly to a worksheet. So if we take, for example, the binomial theorem, this is added to the worksheet as a text box, but for some reason it comes in sort of heavily word wrapped, and if you want to get it back into its normal sort of layout, you just extend the text box and it will come back into shape. And this can be moved around like any other text object, but it retains the format of the equation. Of more interest is creating an equation from scratch, and this you do in the same sort of way. You start with Insert and Equation, but rather than clicking on the drop-down box you click on Equation, and this brings up the Equation Tools bar into the ribbon, and you can then start editing an existing equation or adding a new one directly. The equation editor only handles the typography of the equation and doesn't automatically calculate the result, but it does mean that you can put in a properly organized and formatted equation into your worksheet as perhaps part of a lecture or dissertation.